Take 3, not having much luck today. So opening a box of 2010 AFL Prestige. So this is box 13 of case 2 of the case share from the AFL TCC website. So go and check out the forum on that website to get the results from all the other case shares. So we're 7 packs into this box so far. So the inserts so far, we've got Brendan Favola, All Australian for signature, Dane Swan, All Australian for signature, Paul Chapman medal card, and Nick Rewalt, All Australian for signature. We'll try and get through the rest of the break this time. Rightio, through the Premier's card here, which is the Essendon 1946 Premier's card, and it's numbered 215 of 400, which means there probably won't be a platinum graphic card in this one. Right, we've got our draft pick card here, Gary Rowan, and it's number 326 of 400, so pick number 6. Yeah, nice. That's more in the rest of this box. Probably only another All Australian. Redemption card would be nice though. We've got Australian Leon Davis. And we have a redemption card. It's the draft pick redemption, pick 6 through 12, and that's number 97 of 200. So that one redeems Rowan, Brad Shepherd, Butcher, Moore, Melksham, Gisberts and Luke.